Hey guys, this is Nick over at Audiolab. I'm here today to do another unboxing video of another really cool product. In front of me we have the Parasound JC1 Plus, which just came out a few months ago. And we have had a lot of customers that have been upgrading from their older JC1s to the newer JC1 Plus. Really cool if you are looking to go to the newer version or if you are just upgrading from another product entirely. So today I am going to go through the box, what it looks like on the inside. We're going to open it, we're going to show you. I'm going to do a side-by-side with the older JC1s, which I actually have off screen right here. We had a customer that brought their old set in. And then we'll talk about some of the different features and some of what they've upgraded. So let me get into this. Now, we do know from experience that this thing is extremely well packed, so bear with me in this sort of long unpacking process. Right off the bat, you got two very thick outer boxes, so you can definitely drop these things right off a truck, no problem. Some nice thick styrofoam there. Another box, so 3 so far. I'm gonna try to show you, but I know that it's really in there. Here we have some of the accessories. Power cord, 12 gauge, very, very cool. Some paperwork, like that's what you wanna see. More styrofoam. All right, and now I am at the core of the unit here, the heart of the box. And I think I'm gonna have Aaron come on camera here and actually give me a hand, because this thing is such a massive monster. I seriously suggest you get someone to help you out with this thing. Put it right here. Got it. All right, so here we are. Here she is. Let's get this guy opened up. Going from behind, you see some of these beautiful connections on the back. Very, very nice piece. I'm going to spin it around for you. A lot of weight in this amp. I really do not suggest moving it alone, even though that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Beautiful redesigned faceplate from their older series. Very, very nice amplifier. Sleek. I can't tell you how heavy this thing is. I mean, this is definitely one of the heaviest amps that we deal with. Not too much going on the front faceplate. You've got a power button on and off. So I guess let me swing around to the back and we'll talk about some of the different features. So come around here. You do have a lot of good stuff in the back here. It's just a mono amp, so it's pretty straightforward. But of course, you got your speaker connectors. This will allow for bi-wiring if you care to do so. You have your input-output, so it offers both balanced and unbalanced. Very cool feature. And actually, one of my favorite things, it might be a little bit small, but they give you the loop outputs, which you're not seeing on a lot of amplifiers. Very useful for connecting subwoofers, a second system, a lot of different things actually. I see another couple connections here. You've got your low gain, high gain switch. So if your source is a little bit low, you can kind of boost it up with this, or vice versa, of course. And then the biasing of the voltage inside there as well. You have your auto on-off circuit over here. It does a lot of really interesting stuff. So it can turn on automatically, can turn on with a trigger. It's got a trigger pass-through. So a lot of cool features. Actually, for a very straightforward amp, it's got some tricks in the bag. I wish you guys could see through the top of this unit here. We've got this beautiful, beautiful toroidal transformer. A lot of good stuff on the inside here. But I think next we're just going to show you the differences between the old one and the new one. So stay tuned.